In this tutorial, we'll walk through setting up an LG digital signage display for use with an external player connected over HDMI. As with any professional signage deployment, we want full manual control over when and how the display turns on and off. Let's get started. When the display boots for the first time, you'll be greeted by the LG Setup Wizard. Select Quick Start and press Start. Set the current time and date. Press Save and then Done. Wait a few seconds for the wizard to finish, and then press the menu button on your remote control. Navigate to General and then into Power. This is where most of the important settings live. First, make sure No IR Power Off is disabled. We don't want the display shutting itself down just because nobody has touched the remote in a few hours. Next, set DPM to Off. And for wake-up control, select Clock+Data. This gives the display the best chance of waking up reliably when the player sends a signal over HDMI. Now set PM mode to network ready. This is important. It ensures the player device can wake the display up over the network, even when the display is powered off. Power on status can be set to power on. That way, if there's an electrical outage, the display will come back on by itself once power is restored. Optionally, you can enable Wake on LAN. This is useful for remote management, so we recommend turning it on. Now back out to the General menu and select Network. Depending on whether your display is connected by Ethernet cable or wirelessly, take a moment to note down its IP address. You can use this address to control the display remotely over your local network. If you're deploying into a corporate network, consult your system administrator about IP addressing and make sure your setup complies with company security policy. The display itself doesn't need internet access to be managed, but it does need to communicate over the local LAN. Next, navigate to Advanced Settings. Look for SIMPLINK Setup. Turn it on. This is LG's name for HDMI-CEC. It's what allows the external player to control the display over the HDMI cable. Under Standby, select Receive Only. We want the display to accept standby commands from the player, but we never want the display to send standby commands back. Back out to the main menu and go to Display, then Advanced Setting. You'll probably want to disable the Average Picture Level Auto Control. This ensures all your LG signage panels render the same content with the same brightness and contrast. It's especially crucial for video walls, where even small differences between panels are immediately visible. Next, go to Energy Saving and make sure all options are set to Off. Lastly, you may want to go to the Admin menu and lock it down by setting a password. Use the number buttons on your remote to enter a 6-digit code. This prevents anyone from wandering into the menu and changing things they shouldn't. And that's it for configuration. If you want to back up your config, go back to the main menu, choose Easy Setting, and open Setting Data Cloning. Insert a freshly formatted USB thumb drive into the display's USB port and choose Export Setting Data. One nice detail with LG, unlike Samsung, the backup file is unencrypted, so you can copy it to a PC and inspect your configuration directly if you ever need to. Your LG signage display is now configured for full external control, with all internal timers and power-saving behaviors disabled. The display will do exactly what your player tells it. Nothing more, nothing less. That's exactly how a professional signage deployment should behave. Next, you can set up your preferred player device. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.